Okay, everybody, this is how to make your own rope for your bird. A rope perch. Take cotton string, you can get it at your local Walmart, whatever. I buy a big roll, and it's 300 foot of it. There's 300 feet of it, and this right here is some pretty good stuff. Now my bird Rio, my green parakeet, likes to stand on my laptop, so if his feet go across it or anything, that's why. Okay, so here's what you'll need: scissors, tape. I choose to use electrical tape, and to know how to tie. So what I did is I took 3 pieces of string out of a long, great big, gigantic, long string, and I cut them at the same length. And then you simply sit here and braid it.